Okay, in this video we're going to talk about permutations. And a permutation is a way that you can talk about arranging some things, and it's how you want to talk about arranging some things, and in this case, order matters. And you're going to hear me repeat that several times in this video because I want to make sure that you really get that point. So let's say we have 5 books that we want to arrange on a shelf. So how many different ways can we arrange them? Well, you'll notice I've drawn my boxes just like I did for the fundamental counting principle. Well, I have 5 boxes, 5 books. So I would have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 different ways that I can arrange them. And I go in decreasing order because with the first book there's 5, then 4, then 3, 2, 1. So I'm just going to use the fundamental counting principle and multiply them. And I find out that there's 120 different ways that I can arrange these books on the shelf. Now, what if I only want to arrange 3 of the 5 books? So I'm still going to use my fundamental counting principle, but this time I only need 3 boxes because I'm only arranging 3 books. So I would do 5 times 4 times 3, and I would find that there are 60 ways to arrange my books. So half as many ways because I took out 2 of the books. So with permutations, whenever you want to know how many ways there are to arrange something in order, some number of items, that's called a permutation. With permutations, order matters. Told you I was going to reiterate that several times in this video. So let's look at one more example. There's 7 flute players performing in an ensemble. And if you look at your notes, it says, how can we arrange them, their seating? So we've got 7 players. So that means we would do a permutation of 7. So we would do 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Use our fundamental counting principle and we find out there's 5,040 different ways we can arrange these flute players to sit. Now, I think there's parts B, C, D of that example. Why don't you go ahead and do that as your homework, and we'll talk about it in class tomorrow.